Hi there. In this quiz you have 12 questions, all about phrasal verbs with the word run. Each question has a sentence with one word missing. You have to choose which word is missing from the list. You have about 5 to 6 seconds to do this before you hear a bell, and then I'll give you the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the phrasal verb and improve your pronunciation. After each question, you will be given a brief explanation of the meaning of the phrasal verb. If you need more time, don't forget to press the pause button. Okay, let's go. Number 1. Oh no, we've run out of coffee. I'll need to get some more. Number 2. While on holiday, we managed to run up a huge hotel bill. Number 3. While I was shopping, I ran into my old friend John. Number 4. Do you think he'll run for president for a second term? Number 5. So many wild animals get run over on the roads these days. Number 6. She's always complaining about people and running them down. Number 7. Some calculators run on solar power. Number 8. We've run up against a problem and we'll have to rethink our plans. Number 9. The lesson ran over, so we only got a short break. Number 10. I'll need to run this report by the boss before we publish it. Number 11. She ran through the main points of the meeting again. And finally, number 12. The man grabbed her handbag and ran off with it.